students can expect to learn OAB, so articulation, cranial and other indirect techniques. I'm Rachel Mahoney. I'm an osteopath and I'm from New Zealand. I had been a human osteopath for a long time, and a lot of my patients had dogs. And they were always asking me if I could treat their dogs. And so I found the course run by Stuart McGregor. He was over in New Zealand back in 2017, and I took that course and changed my life. So I've been practicing as an animal osteopath for 6 years now. The most valuable lessons that students should take from the masterclass is just really to trust their hands, and to try and to explore different ways of doing something. I think this gives a really good opportunity to, try new ideas and to be presented with new ideas. But just to trust in themselves and to really trust that their hands know the right way. I think the students have been really keen to learn, and I think we're all here to learn at the end of the day. London College of Animal Osteopathy, yeah, it's been fun. Hey, I got to come over to Norway and teach, animal osteopathy for 4 days. What more could I ask for? So, no, it's been really, really cool.